Pakistan is paying $13 billion per year to cater its manufacturing needs. We have good infrastructure for local manufacturing as well. In a recent manufacturing census, more than 40,000 manufacturing companies has participated. We have automobile industry, surgical industry, fan and pharma industry, defense industry. Fortunately, our manufacturing sectors have great competencies and capabilities, but unfortunately have less visibility and interconnectivity. No digital presence on one platform, and very limited exposure to the new manufacturing trends. Sometimes, there is a trust deficit in terms of payments, quality, and on-time delivery. That's why Manufacturing.pk is born, Pakistan's first of its kind manufacturing marketplace. Explore the manufacturing sector with just one click now. Get yourself more aware about latest manufacturing trends by watching our hundreds of videos in Urdu language. If you are a manufacturer, recruiter, service provider, or supplier, make your listing first, defining your area of expertise and business. Secondly, showcase your services and products through stunning website. Finally, grab your dashboard as your marketing tool and track your visibility, queries, and reviews for your business. Now, recruiters can find the best talent, and buyers can easily identify the manufacturer, suppliers, and service providers. Optimize your supply chain and maximize your profits. Give them your reviews and rating based on your experience. You can use Manufacturing.pk as a third party to strengthen your buying process, to bridge the trust gap in terms of payment, time, and quality. Let's make manufacturing visible, reliable, and economical. Let's Manufacturing.pk. Register now.